read them just once. He goes on to do a bad Marxists are like religious fundamentalists, which again is so pathetic because my point wasn't to say that you can't engage in electoralism if you want to. My point was that your shitty justification using Marx and Lenin was outright wrong. You practically admit to that yourself by constantly moving the goalposts and admitting to not reading the works you claim to have read. Bosch goes on, intentionally misunderstanding Trotsky again, claiming that Trotsky was actually agreeing with him, but apparently because Trotsky didn't exactly say the Democrats in 2020, I am unsatisfied. Being this dishonest really comes with ease then, doesn't it? This launches Bosch into a vein-popping rant, turning as